All right, so we have installed Visual Studio Code in our machine. Now I will walk you through some of the settings which I have inside of the Visual Studio Code and some of the extensions which I will be using throughout this course. So what I'll do, I'll just go ahead here and just click on this Visual Studio Code icon, and it will open up the Visual Studio Code inside of this particular window basically. So first of all, you might be thinking like, hey, this Visual Studio Code looks a bit different than mine. And yes, it is looking a little bit different than yours because I have changed the theme of the Visual Studio Code or VS Code. So how to do that? So you have to go to this extensions tab, just click on that. And here I have installed a bunch of extensions which you don't have to install all of this, but I will show it to you the important ones. First of all, let's search for the theme which is called One Dark Pro. So One Dark Pro. Okay. And this is totally optional, by the way, installing this particular theme. Okay. So I like these colors. As you can see, there are these sort of colors which I like. So that is why I am using the One Dark Pro theme. If you want to install the extension, what will happen here? There will be the install button instead of the uninstall button. Because I have already installed this theme, I am getting this uninstall button. So for example, if I just go ahead here, as you can see, we are having this install button. So you can install this theme as well, but I will be using the One Dark Pro theme. Okay. Then to view our HTML inside of the browser properly, we have to use another extension which is called the live server. Okay, not this one, so this one. So live server. Okay, and this is the extension. So you have to install this one. This is a very important extension. Okay, the live server extension. Then to format the code, I am using the prettier extension. So what I'll do prettier. As you can see, there we go. So this is the prettier extension. So whenever I will be saving my code, this particular extension will format the code properly. Okay. So to do that, what you have to do, you have to go to this gear icon and click on here, and then you have to go to this settings. Okay. As you can see, we are having these settings here. Here you can change many of the things. I have changed my font size, and then we have the font family and so on and so forth. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll search for format on save. Okay. As you can see, there we go. So we are having the format on save, this particular option here. I believe by default, this will be unchecked. So what you have to do, you have to just click on this check mark and it will be checked. You might have to restart the Visual Studio Code. So just do that. Okay. All right. Then some of the other optional extensions are material. Okay. Let me just type it properly. Okay. There we go. This is the file icon extension. Okay. So this is the material icon theme. You can install that. It is totally optional. Then I have one other thing, which is the product icons. So as you can see, most probably these icons are a little bit different than yours. Okay. So I am using this one, the Fluent Icons extension. You don't have to install that. This is optional as well. But if you like these icons, then you can install that as well. So yeah, this is basically it for the Visual Studio Code setup. When we will be writing the HTML code, I will show you how you can use the live server extension as well. Okay. All right. So this is the Visual Studio Code setup.